Today, I'm going to show you how to change the time zone in Yahoo Mail, and I'll also clear up an important detail right away. Yahoo Mail does not have a direct time zone setting inside the email settings, so if your messages are showing the wrong time, the fix usually happens through your computer or device time zone instead. This is a quick tutorial, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to check so Yahoo Mail displays the correct time. If this video helps, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your computer or device settings and look for your system time zone. On Windows, you can usually do this by opening Settings, then going to Time and Language, and then Date and the Time. On a Mac, you can open System Settings, go to General, and then Date and the Time. If you're on a phone or tablet, the time zone is usually inside Date and the Time settings as well. Once you find it, make sure the time zone matches your actual location. If it's set incorrectly, Yahoo Mail may show emails with the wrong timestamp or display times that seem off by several hours. After changing the system time zone, save the setting if needed. Now go back to Yahoo Mail and refresh the page. You can do this by reloading the browser tab, signing out and signing back in, or completely closing and reopening the browser. This refresh is important because Yahoo Mail needs to sync with your updated device time settings. If the time still looks wrong, double check that your device is using the correct automatic date and time settings. In many cases, turning on automatic time and automatic time zone will solve the issue immediately. If you're using Yahoo Mail in a browser, it can also help to clear the cache or try a different browser, especially if the time display seems stuck. Remember, the key thing here is that Yahoo Mail itself does not offer a separate time zone control. So the solution is not inside the Yahoo Mail interface, but in the system settings of the device you're using to access it. Once your device time zone is correct and Yahoo Mail is refreshed, the email time should display properly. That's really all there is to it. A simple system time zone change and a quick refresh can fix the issue in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.